Welcome to AI Watch, your source for the latest in artificial intelligence. Today we're seeing significant movements across the tech landscape that paint a picture of AI's growing influence on industry, education, and infrastructure. At the forefront, India is making remarkable strides in AI adoption, with new data indicating that 99% of Indian companies plan to hire for generative AI roles by 2025. This aggressive push into AI talent acquisition comes despite a notable skills gap, with 3/4 of organizations currently lacking proper change management strategies for AI integration. However, projections suggest this preparedness gap will dramatically narrow by 2026, indicating a rapid maturation of the AI workforce ecosystem. This transformation is being supported by major tech players, with Google establishing a new cybersecurity hub in Hyderabad, strengthening India's digital infrastructure. The timing is crucial as organizations worldwide grapple with increasing cyber threats in an AI-powered landscape. Google's accompanying safety charter demonstrates the growing recognition that AI advancement must be paired with robust security measures. On the semiconductor front, we're seeing major investments that will underpin future AI capabilities. Texas Instruments has announced a massive $60 billion investment in U.S. semiconductor manufacturing, while Intel is undergoing significant leadership restructuring to align with its post-March turnaround strategy. These moves reflect the critical importance of chip manufacturing in supporting the next generation of AI technologies. In the developer space, we're witnessing an evolution in how AI is being integrated into technical workflows. The ongoing debate between Go and Python for modern data workflows highlights how AI is influencing programming language choices, with teams balancing performance requirements against development flexibility. This conversation is particularly relevant as we see a surge in GitHub repositories focused on web development for 2025, many of which now incorporate AI components. The gaming industry is also experiencing an AI-driven transformation. Ubisoft's Rainbow Six Siege X and Giant Squid Sword of the Sea demonstrate how AI is enabling more sophisticated gaming experiences, from improved destructible environments to dynamic water physics. Meanwhile, NVIDIA GeForce Now platform is expanding its cloud gaming capabilities, showcasing how AI-powered cloud solutions are reshaping gaming accessibility. Perhaps most telling is the growing sophistication in how we interact with AI systems. New guidelines for optimizing ChatGPT prompts reveal the emergence of a new skill set: the ability to effectively communicate with AI systems. This represents a fundamental shift in how we think about human-machine interaction, suggesting that AI literacy will become as crucial as digital literacy was in the previous decade. We'll continue to monitor these developments and more. Thanks for tuning in to AI Watch.